This is a shelter that can endure winter storms. It's well hidden under an ancient large rock, is spacious inside, and is fully equipped. Even when it's minus 20 degrees Celsius and there's a blizzard outside, the inside remains very warm. Located in the northern Alps, backpacker Kid is quickly descending the mountain road. When he passes a large rock, he quickly stops. He looks at the inside of the boulder and sees that it is indeed a huge rock. Good place to stay. Since I have no other place to sleep tonight, why not stay here? Kid begins to clean and prepare the place using his energy, making the area much neater. While removing snow from the inside, he discovers many flat, stone-like items. Kid, used to utilizing available materials, makes a decision immediately. First, he uses rocks to outline a rough bed frame and fills it with soil for a natural texture. Looking at the size, it is big enough for him to sleep alone. Due to the very cold mountain temperatures at night, a fireplace is necessary to survive the long, cold night. He quickly gathers stones and starts forming the fireplace and chimney. Of course, he also fills the small gaps nearby with soil to keep the place dry from rain and snow. Before long, he successfully completes the fireplace at the back. He has not even had time to celebrate when a blizzard starts. Fortunately, the outside is already finished, and next, he needs to perfect the inside. Now, even if it were raining knives outside, they wouldn't affect him at all. To enhance his living experience, even the usually unfussy Kid needs to clean a bit. Since the floor dust is too much, he decides to remove all the excess soil. After making the ground level at the entrance, he finds more rough rocks, planning to build the front wall. He had just started building when a blizzard struck, using a protective energy buffer against the wind. The strong wind knocked down Kid's camera several times, but fortunately, the giant rock, which is indestructible, kept him safe. After completing the door frame, he also finds a large flat stone nearby, placing it next to the fireplace to serve as a dining table. Since he cannot find small sticks nearby, he substitutes the door with a waterproof tarp. Although it doesn't offer protection from wind or wild animals, it at least provides some privacy. After finishing the basic construction of the shelter, Kid, who isn't picky about living conditions, also chooses to pave a walkway at the entrance with rough rocks. After he finishes, he returns inside and lays down the foam mattress he plans to sleep on. Having completed these basic facilities, and now feeling hungry and cold, he couldn't wait to start the fireplace. Instead, Kid takes out the portable gas stove he brought to cook food without needing the fireplace. His food is the scientific beef he brought with him. Kid has developed a routine while camping in the wild, which includes checking the area before sleeping. The city lights below the mountain are bright. After checking that everything is safe, he returns to the shelter, starts enjoying the day's food, and puts the kettle on the stove to heat. Although the meal is simple, Kid is very happy with having a bed and a stove. He greatly enjoys his time alone. After eating and drinking enough, Kid takes out his warm sleeping bag, feeling sure that he will sleep well tonight.